morning dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your homes and enjoying your summer vacations with your family. Students, today we are going to learn origami craft. Do you know what is origami? Origami is a traditional Japanese art of paper folding. So let's start. Today we will learn two craft items of origami. The first one is super cute crown. This super cute crown, it's very easy to make and looks very beautiful. And the second item is this paper wallet. This is also very useful. See, you can keep your valuable things in it, keep your money and all in this wallet. So let's start. For paper crown, we need these items: craft sheets, glittery sheets, some glittery stickers and Fevicol. So let's start, students. Take a square sheet. Now fold it from the mid. We will fold it from the mid like this. Now we will fold it from the both sides. Now we will fold it from the both sides. Now this extra portion of paper, we will fold it in upward direction. We will fold it upwards. Now this part we will fold it downwards like this. After that we will take one more fold. Now we will get this shape. Okay, we will make 4-5 pieces of this shape like this to make a crown. We will make one more shape like this. Now students, we will join all these pieces like this. We do not use any glue. See students, I have joined it without any glue. See, my crown is ready. My crown is ready, students. Now we will decorate it with glittery sheets. Okay, now take one glittery sheet and cut into thin strips. You can mark it with pencil and then cut. Kindly take help of your parents. Don't cut it yourself. Now we will paste these strips on this crown. We will have to decorate it. Put some glue. See students, I have joined and cut the extra portion. See, now cut some circles from the glittery sheets like this. See, I have cut these circles, small circles from the glittery sheets. Now we will paste it with the help of Fevicol. On the crown. Paste it. See students, I have pasted in the strip also and on the top. Now we will use some glitter stickers to, you can decorate it with your own choice. You can use anything to decorate it that is available at your home. Okay. See students, my crown is ready. It's beautiful now. It's very beautiful. Yes students, our second craft item is this beautiful paper wallet. See, the wallet has many pockets. You can keep anything in it, your cards, money, keys, etc. in it. Okay. And this is very useful and easy to make. So let's make this beautiful paper wallet. For this we need A4 size craft sheets, some glittery sheets, Fevicol, scissors. Okay students, first of all we will fold it. Take one A4 size sheet, fold it from the mid. Fold it from the mid. After that, fold from the both sides and paste it with Fevicol. And paste it with Fevicol. See students, we have pasted from the mid. After that we will fold it from the mid, from this sheet, fold it from the mid. And paste it again. See, we will paste it again, and now we have two pockets with us. Now we have two pockets. From one sheet we will get 2 pockets. Okay, now we will make these type of pockets with the same method. We will use 5 pockets in a wallet. Again, see, I have made this, fold it, then paste it with the help of Fevicol. Now again we will fold it from the mid, and again I am pasting it with the help of Fevicol. Now students, we will paste it all these pockets with the help of Fevicol. We will put Fevicol in the mid and join them. See students, I have pasted all the pockets. See, now take one strip of 35 centimeters in length. Okay, now we will paste these pockets with this strip. We will paste this strip See students, I have pasted this strip with the help of Fevicol. I have pasted all these pockets to this strip. Now take one A4 size sheet and cut one strip from it. Cut one strip, and now we will paste this strip on this wallet with the help of Fevicol. See students, we will paste it with the help of Fevicol. And from the other side also we will paste it. See students, now my strip is ready. Now we will decorate our wallet. Okay, so we will take glittery sheets for decoration. Okay, I have cut these flowers with the glitter sheets. Now I will paste these flowers on this tray. See students, I have pasted. Now my wallet is looking more beautiful. See students, I have pasted the flower. Okay, now I have cut these heart shapes from the glitter sheet. Different color glitter sheets we will use. Okay, now I will paste it. See students, my beautiful wallet is ready. See students, my beautiful wallet is ready. You can use it. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Thank you.